Hello, I am here with top tier reviews, and today I will be reviewing the PowerForce vacuum by Bissell store. Now, first things first, this vacuum is, I believe, 12 pounds, but it is actually very lightweight. Like, it's very lightweight. It gets the job done. It has the suction. Everything is like one push button to empty. I really like that. You empty out the excess garbage and clutter with one push of a button. You have a couple of different power sources that you can use with this vacuum. I really like that. It definitely cleans my carpet really good, as well as the vacuum for small spaces. So overall, I really do like this vacuum.